Hey, Gracie here. Today I'm going to refresh my container from the summer and plant up a brand new fresh look for fall. So whether we like it or not, fall is on the horizon, but I thought I'd take advantage of these nice days that we still have left and plant up something new in my summer container, a fresh new fall look. So you might remember I planted this back in May actually, and it included some pink Gerbera daisies, this pink zip Dracaena palm in the center, and some lemon licorice. And as you can see, the lemon licorice has totally overtaken. We no longer have the Gerbera daisies. They were really pretty though. And then this pink zip just, it's kind of towards the end of its life. And I thought maybe at one point when I did this refresh, I might be able to include some of these things, but I think it's just worth it to dismantle, start fresh, create a whole new fun fall look. So next step, I'm gonna take this all apart and we'll get ready to plant. All right, so I've got this all dismantled here. You'll see it's ready for some new plantings, and a few things I wanted to mention before we get started. So the first one is soil here. So I am using the soil that I had in my last container. You can definitely do that. You could add new soil if you wanted to. Whatever makes the most sense, just be sure to get out all of the plant parts from your previous planting, the roots and stuff. Give it a good mix too. And if you're wondering about soil, I always use the Proven Winners potting soil. That is my go-to, so that is what's in here to start as well. One more thing I wanted to tell you, a really nifty contraption that I always talk about in my videos is the Upsadaisy, and I've got one in here. What it does is you place it in the container and it helps to lessen the amount of soil you need to plant, which makes this much more lightweight than usual. So I swear by these. And then last but not least, fertilizer. I always start with my go-to of Biotone starter fertilizer. This is great because it just really helps to get things going in your container. And then Osmocote, of course, is a time release. So this one will continuously feed for weeks. So all that being said, I think we are ready to get planting. So let's dive in. All right, so let's get started. Let me tell you a little bit about what I picked out today. So I was immediately drawn to this yellow Celosia here. I just love this. I've got some grasses, a nice fall look, add some depth and some width to the container. Some coral bells here. These are called the Dolce Wildberry. How cool are that? It's like this deep fall purple. And then a really cool sort of like peachy orange pink mum, one of my favorite colors in the mums that we have at the store. So, you can plant a container a variety of different ways. It can be symmetrical, you can do a certain design. I'm gonna do a little bit of a different look. This is gonna be kind of set against the wall of my porch. So I sort of want the height to be in the back and then it gradually to get a little bit lower and kind of, spread out that way. So we're gonna start with the Celosia first. Perfect. All right, next, I think I'm gonna do, so I got two of these grasses. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to fit all those, so we're going to start with the one. And this is kind of going to be in the center. And I'm just kind of snugging everything real up close. It may seem like it's not going to fit, but it will. Trust me. So, just like that. My goal is to get the mum in the front here. So let's give that a whirl. Okay, I think that's looking good. And then I was just obsessed with these. I actually had a different coral bell in my hand, and then I saw this color and I was like, this is a must. So I'm planting these two on the side and kind of giving them a tilt towards the front, if you will, just so they show off their color. And I think that we did it. I told you it would all fit. I know everyone was doubting, but here it is. And I just love all these colors together. It's like all my favorite fall colors. That purple, this like yellowy green. I just think this looks so awesome. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Okay, so just a few final tips for you. I think the biggest one is watering. Just remember to water your plants. I know it's easy to forget sometimes when the temperatures are cooling down, but these guys still need water, and we still have some nice days ahead of us. So you can always stick your finger in the soil too to check if it needs water. Another good tip is a plant saucer. These are great for if your pot is going to be sitting on a porch or deck like mine. Helps to catch that excess water. For plants and products used in this video, check out the description below. Plant selection varies by store location and inventory does change frequently. Stop in at English Gardens today to get everything you need to transform all of your outdoor spaces for fall. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.